If your curiosity is as deep as the ocean, you're going to love this. We're exploring the incredible barrier between sweet and salty water. This natural phenomenon is not only fascinating, but also holds significant importance in both scientific and religious contexts. Water is one of the most vital elements of our environment. It sustains life, shapes landscapes, and influences weather patterns. But did you know that the Quran mentions a fascinating natural phenomenon related to water? This ancient text, revered by millions, contains insights that align remarkably well with modern scientific discoveries. Let's explore Surah Al-Furqan, verse 53. This verse provides a profound observation about the natural world. It is He who has released simultaneously the two seas, one fresh and sweet and one salty and bitter, and He placed between them a barrier and prohibiting partition. This verse speaks to the incredible barrier that exists between freshwater and saltwater bodies. This natural separation is not just a poetic metaphor, but a real, observable phenomenon. But what does this mean in scientific terms? How does this barrier form, and why is it so important? Welcome to the world of estuaries. Estuaries are dynamic zones where fresh water from rivers meets salty ocean water. These areas are among the most productive ecosystems on Earth. Estuaries are dynamic zones where fresh water from rivers meets salty ocean water. The mixing of these waters creates a unique environment that supports a wide variety of life forms. Here's where it gets even more interesting. Due to differences in density, fresh water and salt water create a natural barrier, preventing them from mixing completely. This phenomenon is known as a halocline. This barrier is crucial for the ecosystem, providing unique habitats for diverse species. Estuaries serve as nurseries for many marine species, offering a safe haven for young fish and other aquatic organisms. Now, think about the symbolic meaning of this barrier. In religious and philosophical contexts, it can represent boundaries, balance, and harmony in nature. The separation of sweet and salty water can be seen as a metaphor for the balance that exists in the natural world. In religious and philosophical contexts, it can represent boundaries, balance, and harmony in nature. This balance is essential for the health and stability of our planet's ecosystems. Understanding these natural barriers also has a modern relevance, highlighting the importance of protecting our delicate ecosystems. Estuaries are under threat from pollution, climate change, and human development. Conservation efforts are crucial to preserve these vital areas. So the next time you ponder the mysteries of our world, remember how faith and science can intersect in the most awe-inspiring ways. The Quranic verse about the barrier between sweet and salty water is a perfect example of this intersection. What are your thoughts on this incredible phenomenon? How do you see the relationship between faith and science? Drop a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing insights into the natural world. Your engagement helps us bring more content that bridges the gap between ancient wisdom and modern science.